Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here from THINKWORK, and it is the W6159. It is a bolt extractor, and you can see like right here, I got a bolt that's kind of just jammed in here, and we've stripped almost all of it around the edges, so it's almost round, but not quite. And so we are going to try that here. What's good about this, it comes with the little, the little thing here, and this would be good for an impact wrench, but I just have a regular drill here. So we're just gonna do it and stick it in here. And then we would pick the right size that would go around it. That one there would probably work, that's pretty big. This one here seems like it'll work best. And so the way it will work, and since it's an extractor, you'll go backwards. I mean, I guess you could use it to screw things in, but if you look at the inside, let me grab the big one here. If you look at the inside, it's got a twist on it like that, and the way it works is it twists. So if you were going to screw it on, it would just kind of like pop, 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 pop. It wouldn't really grab, but on the way out, it's gonna, it'll grab it. So this is good for broken bolts. So we're gonna try this. I haven't even done it yet, so this is gonna be a first try on it. So without even ever doing it, let's see what happens. Oh, is that screwing it in? That's screwing it in more. Open it up. Oh, look at that. It just came right up. So how cool is that? So it totally grabbed it. Look at the side. Look at this head. It's like almost round, but it was able to grab it in there. It would actually, it looks like it would work to screw it in a little bit even too. So it works. So I guess it's not the best for screwing in things, but it's definitely great for taking out bolts. And you've got for all the different sizes here, you can do up to these big, huge ones and the small ones. And I'm not sure what this round bar is. It's just a solid bar. I'm not sure. Maybe for when if you got one out and it was stuck in there, that's probably what it's for, is if you got one and it's still stuck in there, because if you jammed it in, then you can push this thing through the backside of it and get it to push out. Probably something along those lines. Who knows? But pretty cool. Nice set. And it comes with this the whole little box, which is what we'll definitely want to keep it all in so we don't lose any of the pieces, and we always have it available here. You can see the workshop has a million things in it, so definitely got to keep this available because we are screwing up things like this all the time. So totally awesome. Thumbs up for sure.